Hi, everyone. This is Joe Ross, and I have a question for you. How long have you been letting free money get away from you? Good question, huh? You know, if you would trade spreads, they are some of the easiest money you'll ever make in your life. Right now, you're looking at a screen of long soybeans. Up here in the upper screen, there were long soybeans. The latest month, I think, is May. And short wheat, Chicago wheat. Look how easy this is. All you have to do is look. You don't need to know anything. You can be a dummy and make money with this. You see the soybeans are rising slightly. They're overall it's going sideways, but there's a little bit of an upward tilt. Okay, but look at the wheat. Wheat is in a defined downtrend. Okay, if you're long beans and short wheat, then you're making money. If this red line is going up, which it is, you're making money. Okay, and you can see where it actually started. Right here, beans began to go up right in this little area here. And at the same place, let me put a cursor on there. And you see this going up, and at the same time, you see that the wheat is going down. This is like taking candy from a baby. Okay? Spread trading is one of the most lucrative ways to trade. In most cases, you get reduced margin. But even if you don't get reduced margin, as in some spreads, like one I'm going to show you in a few minutes, you still have much greater safety, a lot less volatility, and you're making money at the same time. Okay, just something you ought to know, that some of the greatest traders and the biggest traders in the world are spread traders. They don't want you to know that they trade spreads because they don't want you doing it. Right? They want it all for themselves. But we're here to teach you how to do spreads. We have the most comprehensive spread trading program of anyone in the world to teach people how to trade spreads. We have a spread book. We have spread webinar. We have spread seminars, private coaching by Andy Jordan. We have a spread newsletter. You can get a free one every week. It's called Spread Scan. It's free. You just go on our website and ask for it. And then we have Trader's Notebook, which is an advisory of where you can trade spreads, where you learn how to trade them. If you need coaching, Andy has a month-long coaching program to teach you how to trade spreads. Now I'm going to show you another one. And if you're not in this, I hope you're crying right now. You need to be crying because this spread right now is making over $10,000 per spread. What we're looking at here in the upper chart is crude oil, and it's going down. Right? It's in a defined downtrend. But look at natural gas. It's going up. And look at the steepness of this spread down to this point right here. If you'd have gone in the spread right here, which is where I recommended entering, it was right here at this level where you see the cursor right there. Okay, down to here it was over $14,000. Now there was not reduced margin on this spread, unfortunately. The exchange makes you put up the full margin. But $14,000, what, in a matter of days to trade this spread? Okay, so if you're missing these trades, and they're simple observation, you don't need to know anything. You don't need an indicator. All you need is a chart. Okay, you look at the spread chart. Any software in the world will give you this spread line. I can't imagine any company who can't make this spread line. You may not see the bars with a lot of software. They won't show you both, but you can see the spread line. And you can always bring up two charts, split your screen, look at the chart, put up a spread, and trade spreads. If you want to know how to do it and how it all works, then we're happy to show you. You can trade spreads seasonally. You can trade them on the basis of correlation with past years. You can trade them just by looking like this one. Just simple observation is what's made this into a great spread. You don't have to know anything. You don't have to pay for anything. Just look. Use your eyes. Just as a little aside, you know who the biggest spread trader is in the world? Okay, it's Goldman Sachs. Goldman Sachs trades more spreads. In fact, the majority of Goldman's trading is spread trading. They'll buy the strongest stock in a sector and spread it against the weakest stock in a sector and just rake in piles of money. So when you're ready to learn how to trade spreads and all the ins and outs and intricacies of doing it, just let us know. We're happy to teach you. You can get a book, you can get a newsletter, you can get an advisory, you can get everything you need. We'll teach you personally if that's what you want. Okay, just letting you know, there's easy money out there. This is like picking up money laying in the street. Okay, until next time, this is Joe Ross saying, have a great day.